everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Chan. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Imbewu the Seed from the 4th to the 8th of January 2021 on Monday. After Nkululeko calls his mother's bluff, Thokozile tried to enlist Mpanza to stop Mazulu going to the police, but her plan backfires when Mpanza goes after Nkululeko instead on Tuesday. Shreya finally decided to have the ceremony, but it's shocked at what it entails. Kamadonsela goes wild with the purchases that have her family puzzled on Wednesday. Nkuleko's military comrade helped to protect his family. He decided to hold Mpanza's family hostage on Thursday. Zakiti meets a man named Mr. Cannon, who she finds very rude but to whom she is incredibly attracted on Friday. Shreya decided to proceed with the wedding with the Sanket, the blunt. Kamadonsela is hurt as her precious table leaves the house. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your thoughts. Till we meet again, I love you so much guys. Bye.